Hello audience, welcome to new another video. How to fix Twitter X age verification error. Okay, let's start. Follow my all step. At first, your X account open. Now click on profile icon. Now tap on. Now click on edit profile. Now scroll down. Change your birthday. Click. Now click continue. After doing this process, follow my next step. Prepare. Now tap on. Now scroll down. Now click on settings and support. Now click settings and privacy. Now click your account. Now click account information. Now log out in login. By doing process, hopefully your problem solved. Thank you for my watching. Subscribe now.